Hello guys, it's Gayo and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my black soap shampoo. Yes, my black soap shampoo with just 3 items. Yes, aside my equipment that I'm going to use. Yeah, so I have my black soap, I have my coconut oil, and I have my warm water. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I am just going to be cutting my black soap into tiny bits so that I can be able to put it into my bottle. Yeah, so I'm just going to be chopping it into smaller bits. Okay, so I just finished cutting my black soap into small bits. Now I'm going to be putting it into my bottle. So I'm done putting my soap into the bottle. Now I'll be putting the coconut oil into the bottle containing soap containing bottle. Yes, I'm going to be pouring my coconut oil. Then I'll be putting my warm water. Yes, yeah, it's good to put warm water for it to melt, faster. But it just depends on your own taste. You could put cold water, you could put hot water, and the amount of water depends on the consistency you want. If you want a very, very thick shampoo, you could put a little bit of water, and if you want it to be quite watery, then you could put a lot of water. And also depends on how big your bottle is. Yeah, so I'm just going to put in moderate. Yeah. So this is how my shampoo looks after 24 hours. It hasn't completely melted though, but you can use it. It's ready for use. And one good thing I like about this is that it's more like using a stone to kill two birds. Yes, whereby you can use it for your hair and you can also use it for your skin. Yes, and this black soap actually contains lemon. One good thing about using black soap shampoo for your hair is that, okay, from my own experience, is that it washes the hair very well. Like your scalp will be very neat, and I love the fragrance, and it also makes my hair soft whenever I wash it. Unlike times when I wash it and it becomes so strong, when I use this black soap shampoo, it makes it soft, and it also makes your hair fuller. So if you want a full hair, this is your plug. So yes guys, that's just that about how I make my black soap shampoo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.